Public outrage in Pakistan mounts as the government enacts significant tax hikes to secure an IMF bailout, aiming to prevent another economic crisis. However, the ambitious tax revenue target of 13 trillion rupees faces strong public opposition, with many citizens struggling to cope with soaring inflation and increased costs of essential goods. People in Pakistan express frustration, questioning the fairness and feasibility of the new budget amid severe economic hardships. We have a report.
There's widespread outrage in Pakistan against the government over significant tax increases aimed at boosting state revenues. These measures are intended to secure approval for an International Monetary Fund bailout to avert another economic crisis. Experts believe Pakistan's strategy to raise taxes in the latest budget could secure IMF backing, but has stirred public discontent. The budget's objective is to prevent another economic meltdown, but it faces strong public opposition. Pakistan has set an ambitious tax revenue target of $47 billion for the fiscal year starting July 1, a nearly 40% increase. However, collecting these taxes poses a significant challenge. Much of Pakistan's economic activity remains informal and unregistered, undermining fiscal stability and growth.
हम माचिस की डिबिया पे भी जो है वो आपको टैक्स दे रहे हैं, हमारे टैक्स से आप लोग चल रहे हैं, सारी गवर्नमेंट हमारे टैक्स पे चल रही है और हम टैक्स देकर भी जो है वो इतने लाचार, इतने बेबस हैं कि हम अपनी जिंदगियां खुद को कुर्बान करने पे लगा रहे हैं.
With the soaring cost of essential goods, many Pakistanis are skeptical that the new budget will bring meaningful improvements. Citizens in major cities express frustration and anger, having hope for relief but facing further hardships. Pakistan has been battling severe inflation during its worst economic crisis in decades. In 2023, inflation surged above 40%, igniting protests as people struggled to afford basic necessities. The tax revenue target includes a 48% increase in direct taxes and a 35% hike in indirect taxes. Non-tax revenue, including petroleum levies, is expected to rise by an astounding 64%.
ये इंतहाई जो है वो गरीब दुश्मन बजट है, ये अवाम दोस्त बजट बिल्कुल भी नहीं इसको कहा जा सकता, क्योंकि उसकी वजूहत ये हैं कि आप ये देख सकते हैं जो हम जैसे जो तनख्वाहदार जो तबका है उसके ऊपर मजीद जो है टैक्सेस का बोझ डाल दिया गया है. ऑलरेडी पहले से ही इतने सारे टैक्सेस हमारे ऊपर हैं, जिसके अंदर आप ये देखें ना, अब गरीब आदमी या तनख्वाहदार तबका जो है वो किस तरीके से गुजारा करेगा. ठीक है ना, अभी जो है बिजली के बिल, गैस के बिल, उसके साथ साथ दीगर मुख्तलिफ जो है टैक्सेस जो है डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट हम पे जो है वो लागू किए गए हैं. हम उसकी बोझ तले जो है दबते जा रहे हैं और ये मजीद टैक्सेस पे टैक्सेस लगाकर मजीद जो है ना आवाम को जो है खुदकुशी पर जो है मजबूर किया जा रहा है कि वो खुदकुशी करके मर जाएं.
There are concerns about the government's capacity to implement reforms due to the complexities of coalition politics and growing public pressure against inflationary measures. Reports suggest that Pakistan People's Party, an ally of Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif's government, is dissatisfied with some budget measures. Additionally, Sharif's government contends with the enduring popularity of its main rival, jailed former Prime Minister Imran Khan. Lawmakers from Khan's party vehemently protested as the budget was presented.